What's the deal? It's your boy Bobby B, aka BK Motorsports. So I'm up late. Y'all already know me. And damn, I got a brand new coolant temperature sensor. It's located right here. I got this ratchet wrench on there. Invest in you a ratchet wrench, but that would be the quickest way to take this off. So what I had to do is take my air box off. I had to unscrew my heater hose right here and move some stuff around a little bit, but they want you to take this whole thing off, and we ain't doing all that. So we're gonna just take this ratchet wrench and get this boy off. All right, so out with the old, y'all can see the old one looking pretty bad there, and with the new one, you see the chrome bitty. So let's tighten him up and get him done. All right, put the wire harness back on, put the connection back on, and we're done. We finna wrap everything back up, blow some of this stuff out, put some water down here. Yeah. If you can only see the pain